It's recording.
Oh. Yeah. Tree grows in pretty. This is really creepy.
What is this?
I don't know.
Guys, it's recording.
That's nice. I'm afraid. What is this?
I know. Just play.
Turn down the volume just in case it's like BAM!
But that is true. Oh, I'd be retarded. Okay, we got it.
American Gothic.
I really don't want to watch it. It's really starting up.
Zoom!
Oh! You both those asshole.
Oh, babe.
There goes my home.
You better keep that other video and put it on YouTube, because if you don't, I swear I'm gonna cry. It's creeping me out.
Me too.
His face is in the corner.
His face is just, oh my god.
Okay, we're not gonna watch this anymore. That was really retarded.
For anyone watching this and knows what American Gothic is, please leave a comment telling us.
That was retarded.
I should pick my bones.
What? Take it out. Take it out.
Take out the...
Press the open button.
There's not an open button, you are. Get open out.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, bump.
I don't like that word.
What? If you throw that at people, it's really funny.
It's not very scary.
I know. I can't set this anywhere. I want to mess around with your hand.
I have crumbs on my head.
Now we're gonna watch The Grudge.
She's holding my hand. No, just one. Number 2 would have been better.
The Messengers. We only have the first one.
Oh, is this the one that skips? It stopped.
Oh, that's wonderful. Let's predict what's gonna happen.
Alright.
I don't think it's coming back.
Let's just watch the news.
No. You could always watch Rango again. Do you have any other DVDs?
They're still there. Once I come back, it's still a little boy.
That was actually an alpaca. Hey ho.
Thanks.
Not you.
Why is she recording this?
Because
Olivia, I'll change the channel for you. Can you put it in and put it out again?
it won't open.
Oh, babe.
It won't open. We broke it.
What?
It won't open.
It's really creepy. creepy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, change the channel to like the news or something, cause that that blue screen's creeping me out. Let's watch the cooking channel.
No, it's really fuzzy. I like this guy.
Selena, what are we doing? Ooh, this is in me.
What are they doing?
They're playing the banjo.
Suck.
Instantly change your future. Invest in a business to teach every person regardless of age.
Barack Obama.
Olivia, close your eyes for a minute. Okay. They never let go. Oh.
Lost in his face. Oh no.
Who else wants to record?
She's the boobs. She's the boobs.
Smaller than mine.
She's the boobs.
They're smaller than yours. And then by small, I mean like they're A's.
She's the boobs.
They're bigger than hers.
Yeah, yeah.
I love you, Sarah.
No.
Your boobs. They're so big.
I'm gonna break your dick.
Can I have your chibi book right now?
Yeah, sure, go get it.
Okay, yourself.
Pal Joey.
Zoom in on Selena's face.
Oh.
I will, once I hit the 10-minute mark.
How many 10-minute videos can you have on there?
About 2.
Remember me?
That's what Russian. Anyway, I'm gonna end this now, so you might as well say goodbye.
Look at that sexy beast.
Later.
Look at that sexy beast.
That one right there.
Oh, my hoe is back. My hoe.
And that's my feet. Anyway, say goodbye.
They say it so
I
wrong.
love my fans.
Mexican people.